How to redeem Dragon City code. So if you want to redeem the Dragon City codes, then here's what you need to know. There's no redemption system. Currently, Dragon City does not have a system in place for redeeming city codes. This means there are no coupon codes or gift cards available for redemption within the game. There's in-game purchases only to acquire items or products. In Dragon City, you must make purchases directly from the in-game store. We should also be aware of scams. If someone is trying to sell you codes from Dragon City, it's highly likely that it's a scam. Now, since there is no place to enter these codes, any code you receive will not work now. In summary, Dragon City does not support the redemption of CD codes or coupon codes. All items must be purchased directly through the game store. To be cautious of anyone claiming to sell valid codes, as they are likely attempting to scam you. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.